Australia once went to war against birds and lost. Yeah, this is a real thing. It's called the Great Emu War of 1932. After World War I, Australian farmers were struggling. Then, 20,000 giant emus invaded their wheat fields, eating crops, smashing fences, and destroying everything. So the government sent soldiers with machine guns. On November 2, 1932, the army opened fire. But the emus were too fast. They dodged, scattered, and even survived bullets. One soldier said, "They're like tanks, with feathers." After thousands of bullets, only a few hundred birds were hit. The media laughed. "Give the emus medals," they wrote. In the end, the army retreated, defeated by birds. It's one of history's strangest wars. A reminder that sometimes, nature doesn't play by our rules. Even machine guns couldn't stop a flock of determined birds. So yeah, Australia lost to emus. In the full video, you'll see how the Emu War became a legend. Tap now to watch the full story.